Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. Couple things. The 48 hours you're looking at is for criminal law. And believe it or not, when you have an ICE hold, that doesn't fall under criminal law. They are not under any obligation to release him after 48 hours. In fact, the entire law is that will apply to him is the Immigration and Nationality Act. And so if he is in jail and he has an ICE hold, he is going to go to immigration detention and they are going to try to deport him, period. He, of course, needs to fight that if he can. What will happen is an ICE officer will go to him probably in his criminal jail and say, "You have no chance of success. All you have to do is sign here, otherwise, you're going to be in detention for years." And they'll lie up and down about the matters. And if your fiance signs it, he will be transferred still to an immigration detention and then he'll be deported. And depending what country he's from, he may be deported that day, he may be deported in a month once they get the plane full, depending where he's from. So, first things first, he does not want to sign anything that they put in front of him. It's not to help him, okay? Secondly, it's not a 48 hours and then he has to be released. It doesn't work like that. If when he gets in detention, if he qualifies for bond, he will go in front of an immigration judge. He will request the bond, and that's a whole procedure on how that's done. But if he's, for example, not an aggravated felon, not a danger to society, not under mandatory detention, all that stuff, then he could get a bond and he could be released while he's fighting his case in immigration court. He, of course, will need to apply for whatever relief is available. And, of course, in order to do that, I need to know why he's in jail, what his sentence was, if he pled guilty, if he's an aggravated felon. If he's not, how long he's been here, did he ever have his green card? There's multiple factors. So, to be honest with you, if you really want to help him, he needs to get an immigration attorney to represent him in removal proceedings. There's too much at stake here. It's his life, and if it's not done properly, he will certainly be deported, and he may be deported for life depending on his crime. Okay?